classmate. Good morning, sir. Our topic for today is monthly expenses of Malunggay Pandesal. Can you please translate? What is monitoring? Do you have any idea what is monitoring? No? Okay. Monitoring, can you please read it? Right.
Monitoring is the process of regularly observing and recording the progress of or performance of a project, business, or activity to make sure it is going according to the plan and within rules.
Do you understand?
Yes.
What is that?
Monitor is like observing something.
Okay, very good. Next time. I give an example what is monitoring. The owner checks the daily sales, number of pandesal produced, ingredients used, and customer feedback every day to see if the business is doing well. What's the meaning of that, Darwin?
Siya yung nagmamonitor kung ilan ang nakukuha ng gamit sila sa daily. Very good.